KTM has unveiled a new special edition Super Naked in the form of the 1390 Super Duke R track. Limited to just 100 units worldwide, the R track is a non-road legal FIM spec machine designed purely for circuit performance. Stripped of all road-going components, it sheds around 20 kilograms compared to the standard bike, bringing curb weight without fuel down to 177 kilograms. A major change is the removal of the Euro 5 Plus exhaust, replaced by a full titanium Akrapovic system with a stubby MotoGP-style silencer. Power comes from the familiar 1350cc LC8 V-twin, now freed from homologation limits, producing 196 PS at 10,000 RPM, rising to 202 PS with ram air at 250 km per hour, alongside 151 Nm of torque. The R track features extensive carbon fiber bodywork, forged magnesium wheels, titanium fasteners, and a lightweight subframe combining cast aluminum and carbon fiber, with all pillion provisions removed. Electronics are also simplified for track use. Suspension duties are handled by fully adjustable WP Pro components, offering 130 mm of front travel and 120 at the rear. The 17-inch wheels are wrapped in Michelin Power Performance slick tires, while braking is taken care of by Brembo GP4MS monoblock calipers, paired with 320 mm T-drive discs. Built without compromise, the R track represents the most extreme expression of KTM's Super Duke platform yet.